Hello and welcome to my dearest students in today's English class. I hope you all are fit and fine and you are taking care of yourselves during this hard situations of you and of your family. I just wish to God that you all are fit and fine. So this is Rohan sir, and in today's grammar lecture I have brought one interesting lesson for you all. So I welcome to the second standard students first of all in today's grammar class. So in our today's grammar class, I have brought a topic noun for you all, and what are you going to learn throughout the lesson is what is noun, name, place, animal, things. These are the 4 kinds of noun we are going to learn, and also what is common noun and proper noun. These are very basic and interesting topics, so you are going to enjoy this new grammar lesson, and I hope that you all will watch this video very carefully as well as you will understand each and every aspect of this lesson. So students, finally welcome to the world of nouns. Now here, as you can see, the heading is written noun. This is chapter number 1st of your grammar, in your grammar book. So I have brought this grammar book for you all, and let's see how can we learn the topic noun further. So first of all, let us see what are these pictures about. The first picture, in which the lady is sitting on the chair and she is reading the book. So what is written? Grandmother is written. The tag of grandmother is given here. In the second picture, cow is standing. In the third picture, bus is shown. You might have seen school buses, isn't it? And in the fourth picture, school is given. So this is most interesting picture for you nowadays. Why? Because you people are missing your school very badly. I got to know that. Yes, because all of the sudden, you have stopped coming to school because of this situation going on. And I know that you are missing your friends, your teachers, your school, recess, break, lectures and everything, PT. So that's why I am here to teach you. And as you can see that there is a definition given here. Let us begin with that. These words are called naming words. Naming words are also called nouns. Nouns are name of people, animals, place and things. So these all are naming words. Why? Because they are the name of some or the other thing. Correct? Like you see, if you say grandmother, so to whom do you call grandmother? To everyone present there in your room? To each and every lady walking onto the roads? No. Grandmother means the mother of your father. Correct? So to only that lady you call grandmother. Now here cow. To whom do you call cow? The dogs which are walking onto the road, if you feel you can call them cow? No. Cow is only the name given to this kind of animal. Again the same thing with here, with like this picture. Bus. Now what do you call bus exactly? Yes? If the vehicle with the 2 wheels, do you call it bus? No. No, that is not possible. So for exactly everything, exactly every word is given in English. So that is called the name of that word. Correct? Even for you, for an example, if your name is XYZ and if I call you ABC, that is not possible. If your name is Ibrahim and if I shout Rohan again and again, you are not going to look at me. Correct? So exactly the words are given, exactly the names are given for specific thing, for specific person, for specific place. So that exact names are called nouns. That's why it is written here that nouns are the naming words. means that shows the name. Correct. So the nouns are name of people, human beings like us, animals, like you can see in the photograph, the dogs, the cow, cat, everyone, like everything is animal like this, and we use it for animal. Places. So Bhavnagar is a place. Now if you say school is also the place specifically. If you say my home, that is also a kind of place. Correct? If you say Goga Circle, for example, that is also a place. If you say Shishu Vihar, so these are places. And now if you say things, yes, things. What do you mean by things? The bus is a thing, chair is a thing, table is a thing. These all are non-living things. They don't have the blood circulation, brain or hearts, or the things which are required for the living beings. So these all are things. Correct. So everything has their own name, that are the nouns and nothing else. It's very easy. Correct. So here, now the first exercise is very easy. Whatever you have got through the definition of noun, you just have to recognize the pictures and you have to put the correct words. Now I know you all are very much intelligent, so it is just a piece of cake for you all to solve this. Still, I'll solve it for you. So just you verify your answers, that has your mind clicked onto the correct answer or not. If not, it's very okay, very fine, it's very natural. Just try to do it. Correct. So what do we have to do in this exercise? Write the names of the pictures using the words given in the box. So students, it's too simple. You just have to look into this picture, and whatever you feel it like, you have to choose it from the box and place it into the blanks given here. So let us see the first picture. Can you see the picture number A? Yes, you can see. Yes. And you have seen these kind of things, isn't it? At your home, at the different conference rooms, you might have seen this picture. And I am damn sure that you all have seen this. Now what do we call this? We simply call this chair. What do we call it? We call it chair. It is used for someone to sit. Yes? So we call it chair. So I will write the correct answer for you in the blank. Here is the correct answer. So the first blank you have solved. What about the second picture? What is this? It seems like something to eat, correct? And I know many of you might be answering now, looking onto this video. Many of you know this answer. Yes, I know. You are definitely correct for those who are answering. This is an apple. This is an apple. Correct? So, for you, I'm going to write the correct answer over here. It is an apple. Yes? Now, moving on to the next picture. What is this? This is something like you see on the trees or in the plants. Yes, this is something you have seen very much in the gardens especially, isn't it? So what do we call it? Yes? Yes, many of you those who are answering, let me tell you, this is flower. Correct. So those who said flower, you are absolutely correct. So flower is the correct answer. So let me put the answer in the blank. Great. By now we have solved 3 photographs and blanks. So you are really doing the great job. Let's see what is there in the fourth picture. Oh, this is what we have seen a lot onto the roads, in the gardens, on the sides of the roads, isn't it? And exactly this is what the human beings nowadays are destroying for their own personal needs, isn't it? So this is the tree. So let me write the correct answer for you. This is a tree. Correct? We should save trees, isn't it? Because of trees we get oxygen. Because of trees we get natural air. So now we successfully solved every blank, and now you know what exactly we call to these pictures, to the individual one. Correct? Great. So now you all are genius. So now chair is the name of thing. Correct? Chair is not the place. Correct? Chair is not a place. Chair is a thing. Similarly, apple is also the thing. Correct? This is a fruit. We cannot call it place. Yes? We cannot call it person. It is not living thing. Come on. Correct? So this is what we are going to discuss now further in the next page. Now I hope you can see the pictures, and now for these pictures I am going to give you the homework in your WhatsApp groups, and you have to solve these pictures. 4 of them I have solved it for you. The remaining ones you are going to solve on your own, and I am very sure you all are clever and wise enough to solve these answers. Now let us move on to the definition. What is the next definition? Let us read it aloud and understand. So the definition says that these nouns tells us the name of any person, animal, place or thing. They do not refer to any particular person, place, animal or thing. They are called common nouns. Now you must be wondering, why have I skipped this? It's just because if you read the definition and then you look on to the examples, it will be much more convenient for you people to understand that definition with examples. So this definition, just remember the first line and try to understand this line. These nouns tells us about the name of any person, animal, place or thing, but not about any particular person. Now you people need to understand this particular part of the definition. It says that they do not refer to any particular person, place, animal or thing. What does it mean? Let us understand. Now if you say, students, that, let me read the first box. It is written boy, a boy. Now you need to understand that what do you mean by boy? Rohan, if you say, is also the name of boy. Ibrahim, you say, is also the name of boy. Ali Ghazi, you say, is also one name of a boy. So the word boy is commonly used for all these names and not only for all these. The word boy is used for every man, every boy, every male. Correct? To your father, he is a boy. To your grandfather, he is a boy. To your brother, even you say he is a boy. So the boy is commonly used word for all the men. Correct? So boy is not the proper name of anyone. Boy is used for more than one person in short. So it is a common noun. Correct? It is not a proper noun. Now let us see the second example. If I say a book, now which book? Even your social book is book, even your English book is a book, even your rough book is a book. So again, for every single book, correct? So even to your science book, ENV book, drawing book, every book is called a book. So a book is commonly used name. Which book? That is the second option, but the book is used for every single book. So that is commonly used word for every book. Yes, you can't just say science. What does it mean? Come on, it doesn't mean anything. If you say science book, yes, that means you want the science book or you are talking about the science book. So particularly book is added if you want to talk about any book. Correct? So as it is commonly used for every book, it is again a common noun. Now let us see the last example so that again we can move further. And now you see, students, this example, a cat. Now you know the cat. Yes, you have seen the cat. Some of you might be having as a pet at your home. Some of you might be, feeding the cat or the street cat, or you can say the cat which is not a pet, correct? So you know the cat. So if you say, for an example, you have a cat as a pet at your home, you give them the name. Say for an example, if you have a cat at your home and you have given them the name as Kitty. Kitty is though the kitten, that is a young one of cat, but still this is, say for an example, you have given the name Kitty to your cat. So this you cannot call it as common noun, but the cat still is common noun. Why? Because every single cat you see on the roads, even if you have a pet at your home, but still they are in the cat category, means still you call it as a cat, correct? Even if you give them the name, but still they are the cat. Like for an example, my name is Rohan, but still I am a person, I am a human being. Your name is Ibrahim, but still you are a person, you are a human being, correct? Similarly, cat is commonly used word for all the cats, so it is again a common noun. So again we will read the definition so that you will get more idea about this. These nouns tells us about the name of any person, animal, place or thing. Now that is very much clear. Now you might have understood the second half part of the definition, that says that they do not refer to any particular person, place, animal or thing. Not to any particular, too commonly in short, so that they are called common nouns. So I hope so far you have understood what is a common noun. So here is one interesting exercise for you all for common noun, and this is a kind of game, and I bet that you are going to enjoy this part of the lecture very much, and you might be shouting at your homes, what is the answer, what is the correct answer. So basically let me explain you what you have to do, how you have to manipulate these data in the table given below. So it is very simple. Write the common nouns from the box in the correct columns. Say for an example, this is the people, so you have to write in the people. If this is place, if the noun is given is a name of any place, so you have to put it into the place column. If the noun given is any kind of animal, so you have to put it into the animal column, and same with the thing, and so on. So I will solve 2 to 3 words for you, and I am very sure that then you are going to shout out the answers loud at your home, and your mother is going to scold you then. But anyways, this is how we are going to enjoy the lecture and the exercise especially. Here the first word given in the box is telephone. What is telephone? Come on, you all know, which is used to call or to communicate the person sitting far away from you, correct? Because now these days are not of writing the letter and sending the letter to your relatives. No, those days are far away gone. Yes, but still, even if you see telephone, that is also far away gone. Now you have mobile phones, cell phones, correct? Okay, so in short, this was to explain you what is a telephone. Yes, so telephone, can you call it a people? Is it a living being? No, not at all. Can you call it a place? It is a name of place, telephone? No, we cannot go at telephone place. No, that is not possible. Can you call it as animal? Telephone is animal. Do they have a horn or tail? No, that is a big joke. So again, if you see telephone is thing, yes, telephone is a thing which you use, is a device which you use to connect to your relatives which are sitting far away from you. So telephone is a thing, so you can keep it into the things place. So let me write the correct answer for you in the box, so it will be easier for you then to recognize the exercise, how to solve the remaining exercise, correct? So yes, okay, so first is very easily solved. Now let us move on to the next box. So what is the next word in the box? Let us see. The next is a doctor. Now you know what is a doctor, yes, because during this time the most the people need is doctor, right? Doctors, the one who saves us from the diseases, who cures our diseases, who knows how to prevent the disease, and in short are a angels for the human being who save the lives, correct? So what are the doctors? Let us understand. So let us start from the backwards so as to explain it to you more in detail. Can you call doctor as a thing? No, doctor is not a thing which you can buy or sell, or you can keep it as per your requirement. No, doctor is an animal? Not at all. Come on, it's not part of a cat or dog's family. Again you say doctor is a place. No, doctor is not a place. Yes, hospital is a place. Where do you go to meet doctor? But doctor is not a place. Yes, doctor may be a lady or a man or a woman, but doctor is not a place. So what is doctor? Doctor is people? Yes, doctor is from the category of people. Why? They are the living human beings. They are the living human beings. They are either man or woman. So we consider it in the people's category. So doctor will come in the column of people. Okay, so here is the correct answer in the right place for you all. Let us move on to the next word. Pillow. What is pillow first of all? Pillow is simply what you use to sleep and keep the head on it while sleeping, correct? While you sleep, you keep your head on the pillow, correct? So that is what the thing is. Oh, like I said the answer, that is what the thing is, means pillow is obviously a thing. Yes, it is not an animal, neither an animal nor a person, correct? So let us write the correct answer into the box. So pillow will be in the things category. Wow, see, we are solving it like much faster than I thought. Now let us see. Next one is a bit complicated. You need to understand, students. Ant. A-N-T, ant. What is ant? Simple, sir. Ant is people? No, not at all. If your answer is people, you are wrong. Let me tell you. Ant is not people. Ant is like us. We are people. Ant is like us? No. So, ant is place. Have you seen the black ant? No, that is not a place. Come on. Yes, that covers much of our house's, place, but it is not a place. So, what is ant? Is a thing? No, ant is not a thing. They have the life inside, though they are not people. So, we considered ant as an animal. Yes, it is insect, but though we have to put it here into the animals category, correct? So ant is an animal in this noun form. Wow, great. So let's see the next word. Student. So now again, this is very familiar word to you all. Student. To whom can you call student? The one who goes to study into the school, correct? So you are the student of the school, or that sir or that teacher particularly, correct? So what is student? Now quickly, it's very easy. It's a piece of cake. Student is not a thing. Yeah, we cannot call student as an animal. Yes, sometimes they behave like an animal, but that is again a joke. That is not a student. We cannot call it as animal. We cannot call it a place. So what is the left out option for us? People, exactly. So it comes into the people's category, because they can either be a girl or a boy. Yes. So let's see the next word in this box. The next word is squirrel. Have you seen squirrel? running here and there onto the trees. They are, most of the time they are in the place where the trees and the plants are much more. Yes, they enjoy the places like that. So simple, squirrel is in the category of an animal. So we will write squirrel in the animals category. Now I want to solve one or two of my choice, which is like very much, confusing things. Now one of it is a river. Now what is a river? So a river is a thing. So a river is a place. Most of the time people are getting confused between these two. Correct? We cannot call river as a people. Come on. It is not a living thing. Neither people nor animal. The main thing which people are getting confused in the word river is either it should be place or thing. So let me tell you, my dear students, we cannot call river as a thing. It has to be in a place category. Correct? So river is always a place to visit. Where we visit, yes, we can give the name, but that is not the thing. So this was the explanation of the exercise, students. Again, I would give you the remaining words in your homework, and I hope that you all have now the knowledge about where to put which word, how to filter the words and select the words to put into the columns given in the exercise. So let's move on quickly to the picture. Wow, interesting picture, isn't it? Let us see what this picture speaks and tells us about. Hello, I am Shiza. This is my brother Matthew. The second picture is, we go to Central High School. Now students, if you notice, here the specific name of girl and boy are given. Shiza is the name of this girl and Matthew is the name of this boy. So particularly name are given. Boy and girl is not written. Correct? Boy and girl is not written. So let's see how is it connected to the lesson. Let us read the definition. The definition says that the highlighted nouns are the name of special boy, girl, animal or a place. These nouns are called proper nouns. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Now students, as we have been through the common noun, now you know what is a common noun. Here is the other type of noun, which is proper noun. Proper noun, I already explained you, again I will repeat, it is the name of specific or a special person. If I say Rohan, it is a proper noun. If I say Ibrahim, it is a proper noun. Why? Instead of Rohan and Ibrahim, if I say boy, boy is a common noun used for Rohan and Ibrahim both. But if I say Rohan, you only indicate to one boy Rohan. Correct? Similarly, if you say Agra, it is the name of only one place, and if you say Bhavnagar, it is the name of one city. So if specific name is given, special name is given, it could be of boy, girl, animal or place. You never know. So if specific name is given to anything, it is a proper noun. Again, we shall solve this photo, we shall understand this photo. If I say we went to Agra to see the Taj Mahal. Now what is Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal is a monument which was built by Shah Jahan. Yes? So here you see Taj Mahal is name of only this particular monument. You cannot call your home as Taj Mahal. Oh, that is like another thing. If you keep the name of your home as Taj Mahal, that is different thing. Correct? So like I gave you the example here, if you can see, this is my cat Spice. Now if you say cat is a common noun. Let me tell you, cat is a common noun. But if you say this is my cat and her name is Spice, now the Spice name is a special name given to this cat. Correct? There is a difference between cat and a Spice. Cat is called to all the cats. It is used for all the cats. But Spice is used only for your pet, only for your cat. So that is proper name given to your cat only. Correct? So that is called the proper noun. So now students, let us again see what we have learned in today's class. So in today's class, we saw that what is a noun. I explained you with solving the picture examples, and then we went through the other examples of common noun, and then we understood what is the common noun by looking onto the examples given with these boxes. And then we headed towards the exercise of the noun, where you just had to put the proper noun or common noun into the perfect boxes. You just had to recognize the noun and put into the particular boxes. And then we moved on to the picture example of proper noun. We read the definition of proper noun and I explained you what is a proper noun. I hope you all enjoyed today's lecture, and in next lecture we will solve, in next grammar lecture we will solve the next exercise which are left out for the same chapter. I hope that you will revise the topics and you watch the video carefully. And lastly, last but not the least, stay home, stay safe and do study at your home. Thank you and goodbye to all the students.